Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. There are four key pillars of the Islamic ideology in the light of the Quran. The first and the foremost is that there is no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah. There is absolutely none and nothing worthy of worship except Allah. And in the light of the verse La yushrik bi ibadati rabbihi ahada, we can say that Allah has absolutely no partner to be worshipped. The second most important pillar of the Islamic ideology is that the ultimate ruling authority belongs to Allah. Lahul hukm. He has the ultimate ruling authority. All ruling authorities on the earth must be subordinate to the ultimate ruling authority of Allah. And in the light of the verse La yushriku fi hukmihi ahada, we can say that no one, absolutely no one, can be considered as Allah's partner in his ultimate ruling authority. The third most important pillar of the Islamic ideology is that the ultimate sovereignty also belongs to Allah. Lahul mulk. He has the ultimate sovereignty. Only He is answerable to none. All others are answerable to Him ultimately. And in the light of the verse Lam yakullahu sharikun fil mulk, we can say that no one can be considered Allah's partner in His ultimate sovereignty. And the fourth most important pillar of the Islamic ideology is that the ultimate authority to be submissively obeyed belongs to Allah. Lahuddin. أَفَغَيْرَ دِينِ اللَّهِ يَبْغُونَ وَلَهُ أَسْلَمَ مَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ طَوْعًا وَكَرْهًا وَإِلَيْهِ يُرْجَعُونَ. And inna ad-deena inda Allah al-Islam. Ad-deen in the sight of Allah is al-Islam. So we must all submit to Allah's authority, Allah's will, and Allah's commands.